Hi, I'm Tasha, your Igoro teacher of English. Welcome to my channel and thank you for visiting. In the previous video, we used some and many in sentences, and now we're going to use some and any. There's a quiz, so don't go away. Watch till the end and check your answers. Here we go. Some is used when the speaker is not specific about the number and quantity of something. And what you need to remember between some and any is that some is used in the positive context and any is used in the negative context. Let's have a look. Some students have already passed their university entrance exams. In conversation, would you like some sweet and spicy rice pops from the north? Oh, yes, please. What about any? This is used in the negative context and in asking questions. So it has got two uses. For example, there aren't any A4 sheets in the printer. And by the way, A4 sheets are what we call bond papers. A4 is the size. I haven't got any money with me at the moment. I rarely take money with me to school. And in conversation, are there any upper secondary students in Michael Hall? Yes, there are, but only some, not many. And here's the quiz. Don't go away. Here you are. 10 seconds. Check your answers. Did you get 5? Very good. That's all for this topic. If you have any questions, please leave them on the comments below and I'll get back to them in the next videos. And if you found the contents useful, please subscribe and share them to others you think might need, especially students doing modular classes. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.